Una época deslumbrante de personas que realmente tenían una sensibilidad cultural y una perspectiva casi diría renacentista.
When we heard about this format of an unconference or open space format, it just kind of clicked. And the whole idea is to turn a regular conference on its head and to focus the entire event on exactly what the participants want to focus on and where their energy, where their passion lies.
I'm interested in the human history of the islands in the Gulf of California.
Very interesting to get all these like big names with the young generation, because I think we can learn a lot from them, but also to know all the work that is going on in this area.
There's a big subduction zone along the entire length of North America.
The most important and the most valuable aspect of this workshop is that it came from the young people. It came from the rebels that need to lead us into the next stages of conservation of the Sonoran Desert.
What's really important about being here is acknowledging how important knowing what other people are doing in different disciplines is. I had never, to be honest, I'd never really thought about the importance of archaeology in the management of fisheries resources.
It's a meeting of ideas, the meeting of approaches, seeing the Sonoran Desert through someone else's eyes, feeling the passion for this sand and this gravel in some of the ways that are sometimes poetic, sometimes very pragmatic, but all of them full of love. And from this love comes the respect for the place and the need for understanding it.
I look at the issue of undocumented migrants, people who are crossing the U.S.-Mexico border into southern Arizona. And there's all kinds of environmental and cultural and humanitarian issues involved with that.
But the most important thing is to get together with people the same way that all major research has really happened, is just to sit down at lunch, at dinner, or whenever, and talk about what people are doing. There's some people who've done work that I was not aware of, and some people here were not aware of some of the work that I'm presently doing, and it's exciting.
The reality is that we need to show.
Sino como toda la estructura de cuál es el estado en cada una de las disciplinas.
The most pressing issues are the same issues that the Sonoran Desert has experienced in the 20th century. It has to do with the conservation of the ecosystems on the one hand, and on the other, the social aspects of it.
As young scientists, it often takes us a long time to reach a level where we're recognized and known throughout our community and people are aware of our research and able to find us. But by putting us all in communication early in our careers and also giving us some leadership and guidance from the experts in this region, it's just so wonderful to meet people with similar interests, and you just want to stay up all night talking science.
One of the themes that really emerged from the Next Generation Summit was the importance of interdisciplinary work. And it really manifested itself on two levels. One was the sharing of theory and ideas and just the different scales we work on between disciplines. And the other was the way that we see the world through our discipline's eyes. And that merging both the theory in the papers we write and our perspective in the natural observations we're making, and uniting them at all these levels and all these scales can really transform the results of our collective work.